lemon slaw with toasted almonds. And it's a great side dish to go with Thai food or Chinese food, anything sort of Japanese food. Oh, it's beautiful with that. So I like to start my salads by making the dressing right in the bowl. So I'm going to start with the oil, of course, which is 3 tablespoons of olive oil. But that's not all. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, which has really strong flavor. So you don't want to put too much of that in, but just a little bit can give it a nice flavor. Okay, so that's there. Put that together. Then I'm going to put the acid of the salad dressing in. In this case, I have some fresh lime juice. Yay. And I have a little bit of rice vinegar. And that's going to be kind of tart, you know, kind of is. So I'm going to put some sugar in there, just a tablespoon of sugar. And you could also use the lime boost, which I keep in my refrigerator all the time, which is just lime boost and sugar. Oh, hi, Ward.
How are you?
Hi.
So
good to see you.
Yeah. Thanks for putting up with me.
Yeah. I'm kind of busy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you can put your stuff in Joaquin's room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Joaquin's? Okay.
Yeah,
Excuse me. Oops,
yeah,
sorry.
oops. Okay. So I'm just incorporating the acid in with the oil, and the sugar's in there, and it's going to need a little salt. So I'm going to put a little sea salt and a little tamari, which is soy sauce, because that kind of carries through the Asian feel of the salad. Nice. So my dressing's all made. I'm going to add some chopped green onions, or scallions, however you like to say, and some cilantro. Nice. And then I'm going to put the cabbage in. You can use just common cabbage if you want, but I have Napa cabbage, and I like Napa cabbage because it has a kind of nice, delicate feel to it. But you could use any kind of cabbage that you like. Just put that in there. Yeah. Okay. And then you just toss that together real simply. And I'm going to wait to put my toasted almonds. And what we did was toast whole almonds for about 10 or 15 minutes in a pan in the oven at about 325, and just till they start giving off a nice aroma. That's how I always toast nuts in the oven and seeds on the stove, because you got to keep your eye on seeds, right? And so I'll just put those almonds in there. They add a really nice texture to this salad, and this is, oh, it's so good, and it's good to go. It's pretty too. Tasty. Take it to potlucks, and I'm gonna go and check on Ward because I think he forgot where the bedroom is. Ward?